some of the area lining effect given only this area given little hatching, this area given more dark hatching. Dark means this way. So this way you'll complete a full. Keep in mind which way I am making, that way make, and which center line is there, you can use scale there. For this white line you can use scale there for making it straight. So this is the this double line white lines that separate, that specially keep in mind, leave white, don't mix it with the shadow. This way. One more thing I want to say to you, use new black pen, not use old pen, because old pen leaves the ink that is not properly working. So use new pen. Okay, when you done this, in this part also do single hatching, upper one. Flag is very dark, so do in flag full hatching, cross. This part is also dark, so do there also cross hatching. This way. So I hope you understood the boat. Now we are making the huts. Huts are also very easy. Just this part is there, this is bushes, these are bushes, so there is also cross hatching. So this way you'll complete full picture. Boat also do left side stone is given, which part are dark show like door and